Hey guys, I'm here to come to you today to talk about money. Money is so important. Everybody needs it. Everybody needs it to survive. We go on our jobs every day. But what we don't talk about is where to put that money, where to put your hard-earned money so that you allow it to grow rather than rescind and so forth. So if you do not have investment strategies in place, if you do not have, if you're just putting all your money in a savings account, which is not growing at the minimum, it's not the right way to do it, and we can actually help you over here at Money Experts, basically show you, give you a plan and direct you to where you can actually put your money safely to where it can grow and with no risk. So it's very important that you put your money in places where it can grow. We actually teach our clients on how to save money tax-free. So basically, as your money grows, you won't ever have to pay any taxes on it. So if you're interested in learning on ways to save money and help your money grow with no risk, definitely reach out to me at 301-945-8300, or you can connect with me at marcuselligan.com. But again, it's very important to know where your money is doing, know what your money is doing, and make sure that your money is growing as you sleep, as you work, as you do leisure, while you're on vacation, and so forth. So if you want your money to grow faster than what you have in your savings account, feel free to reach out to us and we'll definitely be able to create a plan for you and show you how to start smart saving. Again, if you know anybody that could use this information, please share this information or share this video, and please like, share, and follow as well. And we hope you all have a wonderful and great day.